Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to screen record your iDevices. I used A-Show, so let's get started. First you need to go to the browser, then type show.tv /A. The link is in the description. Then it says open this page in App Store, open it, and then install it. After installing, you need to do one more thing, that is go to settings, go to general and scroll down. You will see profiles and device management. Click on it and you will see Wise Technologies Co Ltd or something. Click and there will be an option trust. You need to trust it. After trusting, it says you need to log in with show.tv. So you need to also download show.tv. But as it was removed from App Store, so you need to download AppCola, which is in my previous video. The link is in the description. So after linking with your show.tv account, you can now screen record your iDevices. So thank you and subscribe.